Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the application of stack. We have previously discussed some of the applications of stack, but today we are going to discuss one of the applications of stack which helps us to convert a postfix expression to an infix expression. We have earlier evaluated a prefix expression and a postfix expression as part of this application of stack portion, and today we are going to discuss that how to convert a postfix expression to an infix expression using the data structure stack. So, in order to show that, I have to show you by means of an example how to do that and how to apply the stack data structure in order to convert the postfix expression into infix expression. So, I am just going to write an example. I am going to write a string which is a postfix expression, and that string is going to be converted into the corresponding infix expression by the help of a stack data structure. So, let us get started by writing the example string and go on with the process of conversion of the postfix expression to its infix form. So, let me write the expression. Suppose example expression can be A, B, C star excuse me plus D, E slash F star minus. So, this is an expression which is a postfix expression. See this, the operators come after the operands A, B, C followed by star, then plus, then D, E followed by slash, followed by F, then star, then minus. So, this is an example of postfix expression which needs to be converted in this video into its corresponding infix format, where the operand where the operators are going to be placed in between the operands, and that is called an infix expression, and we are going to apply the stack data structure in order to convert this postfix expression into its infix form. So, what to do at the beginning? We'll just write it in this way. We'll just develop a stack data structure like this. We'll just imagine the stack to be an array, and we'll write this stack. Suppose we are going to write this stack from here to here. Let me see how many characters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another will be there, 10. So, we have created some space for incorporating these elements into the stack data structure. First, we are going to insert the elements in a fashion that is from the right to left. That is, we will take this minus first and put it onto the stack at the 0th position of the stack, and then I will go on to insert or push the star or the asterisk operator into the top of the stack, and above that F, and above that slash, and so on and so forth. And let me just do it for you. I will just push the minus over here, then I am going to push this star over here, then I am going to push F over here. We are just repeatedly performing the push operations on the stack. While doing that push operations, while following the push operations, I am just going to push the characters one by one onto the stack, starting from right to left. So far we have pushed F, and after that we are going to push slash, then we are going to push E, then D, then plus, then star again, and then C, then B, then A. So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, these are the expressions which need to be pushed onto the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I think I have done some mistake in the numbering. So the numbering will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 0 to 10. So all the 11 elements are there, just the numbering was a little bit wrong. I have skipped one position of the array and numbered the stack data structure, numbered the array. So this is the modified numbering, that is, it starts from 0 position and it goes to 10. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to repeatedly pop the items from the stack one by one, so that we can just convert this postfix expression into an infix form. So let's do the exercise. So first, as you know that popping begins from the top position of the stack. So this A is the topmost element. So this is the top now. At the beginning, the top position, we are going to start the pop operation when the top is 10, and from that position of the top, we are going to perform our pop operation in a repetitive manner. So this A will be popped first, and we will write in the number 1 step, we will write suppose A. We are going to pop this A and write this over here in the first step. Now then we are going to write the second step like this. We are going to pop this B and write this B over here. Suppose we can give a comma over here, A comma B. You can omit the comma as well, but it is better to just give a comma in between. And after that, we are going to take C and write it in this fashion. After that, see, all these 3 things which we have popped so far are operands, that is A, B and C. After that, in the 4th pop operation, we encounter an operator. So this is an operator, this is not an operand, that is a star, that is a multiplication operator. And when we encounter this sort of operator in the popping sequence, then we have to do an operation involving this operator. So what we will do, suppose in the 4th step we encounter this star. So what to do? Now we will perform the operation between these two, that is, this will become like this: B star C. B star C will be the operation which will be performed between these 2 operands, and this A will be separated from this expression B star C, which becomes now 2 expressions now. What is this? That is, you can think of this as a stack as well. That is, we are pushing this elements to this stack. From this stack, we are pushing A, then we are pushing B, then we are pushing C above B, and then when we encounter this star, we take the 2 topmost elements from the stack, we pop them and perform this operation B star C and put the result back onto the stack, that is B star C. And now the stack may be thought of as containing 2 elements, that is A, and above that B star C. So B star C is now the top element of the stack in this portion of the stack, which is to be imagined on this resolution part, and this is another stack from which we are going to pop these elements and put it onto this stack. So this is an example of application of stack. So after that, we will see that we are encountering another operator, that is plus. So this 5th step will involve the operation between these 2 top elements. We will pop these 2 top elements from the stack and perform the operation, that is the plus operation or the addition operation between these 2 operands. So that will give us A plus B star C, and this A plus B star C becomes the result, which is to be again pushed onto the stack, and the stack now contains only 1 element. Suppose we have to consider this as like this: A plus B star C. So A plus B star C is considered to be one element, that is a single element, and the stack now contains one element, that is the topmost element, A plus B star C. After that, we are going to encounter another operand, that is D. So I will write like this, as we have done in the previous cases. In this case, when we encounter operands, we'll just put it onto the stack, we'll push it onto the stack in a normal discipline which is followed in a stack data structure. A plus B star C is the one element which was till now existent on the stack, and above that I will push B. So this portion, this right portion, can be thought of as the top part of the stack. So B is the topmost element of the stack now. Now this E. Again, E will be inserted in the topmost position of the stack, B star C, comma B, comma C. So this is not C, I think, this is E. This is E. So this is E. So we have popped this E and we have pushed the E onto this stack. So number 8 step is that again we encounter an operator, that is slash. Then what we will do? The operator will be operated upon these two elements, that is the top two elements. So this is not B, this is again a mistake, that is a D. Excuse me. This is the D. We have popped this D and written over here. We have popped this D, and after that we have popped the E. So D and E. So now what we'll see, we will perform this division operation by this slash operator when we encounter the slash operator, and we will perform the division operation on these two top two elements, A plus B star C, comma D slash E. So this is the operation we are going to perform. After that, we will see that we encounter F. So in the 9th step, A plus B star C, comma D slash E. After that, we take F. So write F. I'm a little bit cautious this time not to write the wrong one. And now in this step, we are going to take this star. Star is an operator. Then we are going to perform the multiplication operation between these two topmost elements. That is, this is the topmost element, this is the next to top element, and we are going to perform the star operation or the multiplication operation between these two. So in order to do that, I will write like this: A plus B star C, D slash E star F, and put a bracket over here, and there is a comma in between these two expressions. And number 11 step, that is, we are going to take this minus. So this is the last element to be popped from this stack, and again we have to perform this minus operation between this element and this element. So we are now left with two elements on the stack, and we are going to perform this minus operation between these two elements. So ultimately it becomes like this: A plus B star C, bracket, parenthesis, then minus, then parenthesis, D slash E star F, parenthesis. So this is the, see this is only one expression, that is, put a parenthesis over here in order to get it understand properly. You can just imagine a pair of parentheses outside this entire expression. So for a better understanding purpose, you can just imagine these two parentheses on the outside portion of this entire expression, which is quite evident that it is an infix expression, and so this expression becomes a single expression. There is only one element on the stack, and if you pop this element from the stack, you will get the answer, that is the result which we are going to find, that is which we were trying to find, that is the expression infix form of the above postfix expression, and this will become the answer to the problem given above. So this is the application of stack which is used in case of converting a postfix expression into its corresponding infix expression. So, in this way we can just do the exercise and find out the expression which is the infix corresponding infix form of the postfix expression given in the problem. So, if you have any doubts and queries relating to this entire explanation, entire example, you can well post your doubts and queries into the comment section below so that we can address them. Thanks for watching this video.